Good morning, students. This is the lesson of class 7th for the subject of geography, topic conventional science, which is covered in chapter 1 practical geography, starting on page number 9 of your textbook and is being submitted to you on 12th of April 2021. So students, let us now discuss our topic, the use of colors on topographical map. In the interpretation of maps, colors play a very significant role. They represent certain physical, economic, and cultural features. Colors helps us to interpret different landforms, their elevation, depth of water body, etc. on a physical map. For example, shade of blue shows depth of water bodies as it is a shallow or a deep water body. Listed here are the colors used on a topographical map and their interpretation. The first is yellow color. Yellow color shows all the cultivated areas where agriculture is being done. Second is the green color. All forest areas, including the woodlands, are shown in green. Number 3 is white. All barren and uncultivated lands are in white. Number 4, brown. All contour lines are brown in color. Apart from that, sand dunes, sand hills, and shifting sand are also shown by brown color. Next is black. All names and abbreviations, for example, post office, police station, etc., are shown in black objects. Black objects such as railway tracks, telephone and telegraph line, dry streams or ponds. All boundaries are also shown in black color. Number 6 is color red. All man-made features as roads, either it will be a metalled or pakka road or unmetalled or kacha roads. Settlements including villages or towns, etc., are shown with red color. Conventional signs and symbols. Maps are used to record and show a variety of information. Although a map does not have enough space to accommodate the actual size and shape of various physical and cultural features. But a map without these features is less informative. Thus, different signs, symbols, and letters are used to show various information on a map. These signs and symbols are called conventional signs and symbols. The meaning of these conventional signs and symbols are explained in a key or legend. I hope you understand that. The key and or legend explains the meaning of those signs and symbols. So students, here we are going to discuss some of those conventional signs and symbols. As if you can notice, the very first one is the international boundaries. International boundaries are shown by a series of dashes and dots on a topographical map. It forms the border between two countries. Number two is the state boundaries that are demarcated form the border between the states and is shown by dash and a single dot. Number three is a district boundary. District boundaries are shown by a series of dashes forming the borders between districts. Number four is a metalled road or pakka roads, means tarred roads. It indicates that the region is developed. A metal road is shown with the help of two parallel lines shown in red color. Number 5 is an unmetalled road or kacha roads. Unmetalled roads are shown by a set of broken parallel lines in red on the map, like this. Number 6 is a footpath. A footpath is used only by people for walking. It is usually found in hilly regions and is shown by single broken line. I hope you understood the difference between a footpath and an unmetalled road, where in an unmetalled road there are two lines, parallel lines, which are broken in nature, whereas here the footpath is shown with a single broken line. Yes. Now this symbol denotes a small river or a stream, basically in blue color. Next, the river bed with stream is denoted with this symbol. An arrow on the bank of the river indicates the direction of flow of the river. As if it is shown with blue, it means it has perennial water. It is a perennial water body. Next is a canal. Canal is a channel cut through land in order to transport water from lake or a river. It is being represented like this symbol on a topographical map. Next is wells. Wells are bored into the ground till the water table is reached. Wells are denoted by blue colored dots on the topo sheets or the maps. Next is permanent hut. Permanent hut has been built on a permanent basis. It is used to show village settlements or towns. It is shown by red colored square boxes. Apart from them, there are some other conventional symbols like post office is represented by PO, telegraph office is represented by capital T, capital O, police station by PS, and hospital by this particular symbol. So this is all about the conventional signs and symbols. Now students, let us recapitulate the topic by means of a quick retest. So your questions are: number 1, what does yellow color represent on a topo sheet? Number 2, by which color contour lines are drawn? Number 3, the meaning of conventional signs and symbols are explained in dash, fill in the blank. And number 4, draw the symbol for well and metalled road. Students, you may now pause the audio or lesson for 5 minutes to answer these questions. The time slot given for writing the answers is over, children. So let us now discuss the answers of the above questions. Answer number 1 is cultivated area is shown with yellow color. Contour lines are drawn with brown color. And the meaning of conventional signs and symbols are explained in a legend or a key. And the symbol for well is a blue color dot, whereas a metal road is two parallel lines which is red in color. I hope you all have understood the topic very well. So you all are required to read chapter 1 and the assignment notes at least twice. You have to draw the conventional symbols discussed in the assignment and complete the fill in the blanks given on page number 14 of your textbook. With this, I conclude this interactive session. Thank you.